If you're a self-managing landlord in Western Australia, there's one document you need to get right: your tenancy agreement. Under the Residential Tenancies Act 1987, every residential tenancy in WA must use a specific government-approved form called the Form 1AA. The problem is, it's a 15-page Word document with no guidance and no validation, just blank fields and legal jargon. In this video, I'll show you exactly what the Form 1AA covers, and then I'll show you how to generate a complete, legally compliant agreement in just a few minutes. This is the Form 1AA, the official Residential Tenancy Agreement approved by the Commissioner for Consumer Protection. Every residential tenancy in WA needs to use this form. Part A is everything you need to fill in: lessor and tenant details, the lease term, rent, bond, water and utilities, pets, modifications, and more. It's 15 pages long. Part B is the standard terms set by law. You can't change these, but both parties need to understand them. Part C is where you add any additional conditions. Now, this is a Word document with blank fields. No guidance, no validation, nothing telling you if you've missed something. There's a much easier way to do this. This is Landlord Wise, a platform built specifically for self-managing landlords in Western Australia. To create a Form 1AA, you start the Tenancy Wizard. It walks you through everything in 9 simple steps. The first 6 steps are straightforward. Enter your property address, your details as the lessor, your tenant's details, choose your lease term. These quick calculate buttons let you set the end date with one tap. Enter the rent amount and payment details, and the security bond. The platform automatically calculates your maximum bond based on WA law, so you can't accidentally overcharge. Step 7 is where the Form 1AA really comes together. First, you enter the contact details needed for the agreement: your address and phone, and your tenant's address and phone. Below that is the rent increase method. For most leases of 12 months or less, this doesn't apply. Just leave it blank. Then everything is organised into clear sections matching the official government form. Residential premises. This is where you specify what's included and excluded with the property. Now you might be wondering, what exactly should I list here? Rather than me explaining every scenario, let me show you something. Landlord Wise has a built-in AI assistant called Wise AI that knows WA tenancy law. Just ask the question and you get a clear, specific answer. Any question you have while filling out your agreement, Wise AI is right there to help. And as you add properties and tenants to Landlord Wise, Wise AI learns your portfolio. You can ask it things like, "My tenant is 3 weeks behind on rent. What can I do?" And it checks the actual arrears in your system, then walks you through the breach notice process, citing the exact section of the Act. Or, "Can I increase the rent on Joe's lease?" And it checks their lease start date against the 12-month minimum rule automatically. It combines everything it knows about your properties with WA tenancy law to give you specific, actionable answers. The rest of Step 7 is straightforward. Water services, utilities, strata bylaws, pets, subletting rights, modifications. All simple toggles and drop-downs based on what you know about your property. And finally, special conditions. Any additional terms you want to add to Part C of the agreement. If you're not sure what's common here, Wise AI can help with that too. Step 8. The review. Everything you've entered across all 9 steps is presented as a plain English summary. You can read through the entire agreement in normal language, and if anything needs changing, just click the Edit link next to that section. When you're happy, hit Generate Tenancy Agreement. And there it is, A professionally formatted, legally compliant Form 1AA, ready to preview right here in your browser. You can download the PDF or sign it digitally. Just upload or draw your signature once in Settings and it's applied automatically. Then hit Send to Tenants and they receive an email invitation to review and sign the agreement online. No printing, no scanning, no posting. Completely paperless. That's it. A legally compliant lease agreement in a few minutes instead of wrestling with a government Word document. The link to try LandlordWise is in the description below. Once you've signed up, you can also try our AI-powered property condition report. Just take photos on your phone, and LandlordWise generates the entire Form 1 property condition report for you, complete with detailed descriptions of every room. Check out our full walkthrough of that feature. The link is in the description or tap the card on screen. If this was helpful, subscribe for more WA landlord guides. Thanks for watching.